Kũũra gwa thitima bũrũri-inĩ makĩria kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa Jomo Kenyatta gũtuĩkĩte mũtugo na gũcũngĩrĩria gĩconoko kũrĩ bũrũri kũringana na Minista wa Mahinya Davis Chirchir na Seneta wa Nandi SAMSON CHERARGEI. Hwai wa icigo citiganĩte nĩ ciragũmĩirwo nĩ nduma thutha thitima kũũra. Kĩharo kĩa ndege kĩa Jomo Kenyatta arĩ kĩmwe kũrĩa thitima cirorire ũndũ ũrĩa wĩcokerete thutha wa mweri ũmwe tu.
Pole, mmenitafuta sana.
Nĩ gĩthagathago gĩkĩ Seneta wa Nandi SAMSON CHERARGEI nĩ orotete Minista wa UKUII KIPCHUMBA MURKOMEN kũgonderera wĩra-inĩ wake.
It's an embarrassment. The other day, JKI roofs were leaking. He formed a committee to look into leaking roofs. Now, I hope he is not intending to form another committee to look into why generators are not working.
Ni aendange. Aende kabisa, hakuna tena hayo kuongea sijui nini. Tafadhali. Ule CS wa umeme kazi yake hajui.
CHERARGEI NIORITIE MURKOMEN kuhoya muhera ni kuheana kiraniro kia maheni ati generator kiharo-ini kia JKIA ni ciraruta wira thutha wa icera riake.
Instead of having the energy to take me to court, he should use the same energy to fix leaking roofs in JKIA, fix the standby generators that are not working in JKIA. He is no longer a national embarrassment. He is an embarrassment to himself by this level of incompetence that we have seen in recent times.
Nikira oigite ni kwaga uigiririki na kuhenia AKENYA. CHERARGEI NIORITIE President William RUTO ATACUKIRIE IKINYA MURKOMEN.
The appointing authority must take administrative action for those small mistakes of non-working generator. If the generator was working, it's embarrassing. If it was something that it was El Nino flood sweeping away the road, there is no problem. But this one, you have assured the country that generator is working. You have even yourself gone to supervise. Then it does not work. Then the appointing authority must take very serious action against him.
Ningĩ nĩ orĩte kamĩtĩ ya mahinya ya Senate na ya bunge ya gĩbũrũri gwĩka ũthuthuria baranginyo nĩkĩ kĩrarĩa kĩngĩ sekta-inĩ ya mahinya.
The committee should come out of recess because this is a national emergency and invite the stakeholders of energy sector. Tell the country what is happening, the solutions to this national outage and blackouts that we are facing as a country, and also quantify the losses that Kenyans have experienced in terms of economic loss. Businesses Kenyans have lost because most of them use fridges. Most patients in hospitals also depend on electricity to sustain them in ICU.
Tariki 26 mweri wa kanana mwaka ũyũ bũrũri-inĩ wagũmĩirwo nĩ nduma kwa mathaa 20. Rĩu Akenya makĩonekana kwaga kũiganĩra nĩ motungata marĩa makoretwo makiamũkĩra kuma Kenya Power.
Juzi umetupatia pikipiki za stima. Sasa hivi ukienda kule kwa swapping station kuna battery ambazo ziko bending ambazo hadi wa sasa hazijafanya nini? Kupata ile charging ili tuendelee kazi.
Na kama inawezekana wale wasimamizi wa Kenya Power wanastahili wengi wakamatwe na washtakiwe na waondolewe kazi kwa sababu wanatusumbua.
Nĩ hathara ĩrĩa AKENYA makoretwo magĩtũngio nĩ wagi wa thitima. Rĩu CHERARGEI nĩendekithĩtie KPLC ĩkorwo ĩkĩmarĩha hathara.
Washurutishe Kenya Power and Lighting wawape ridhaa wananchi ambao labda wamepoteza mali yao, biashara, na wale ambao wametahadharishwa katika ile mambo ya mahospitali kwa sababu stima zinatumika huko. Na
arĩ kĩhonia gĩa thĩna wa kũũra gwa thitima, CHERARGEI nĩendekithĩtie Kenya Power ĩtunywo ũigĩrĩrĩki wa gũtambia thitima bũrũri-inĩ ĩrĩ wika.
We must have a conversation of doing market liberalization where we no longer allow Kenya Power and Lighting Company to be the only monopoly in terms of energy generation. The constitution allows even counties to generate their own electricity.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.